Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set a background image in WordPress using Elementor. First, open the Elementor editor for the specific page or post you want to edit. Once inside the editor, identify the section, column, or widget where you wish to apply the background. Then, locate and click on the Style tab in the Elementor left-hand panel. This tab is where all your visual design adjustments will be made. After navigating to the Style tab, you will see the Background section. Here, under Background Type, select the Classic option. This choice allows you to use a single image or a solid color. Next, click the Choose Image button to either upload a new image from your computer or select an existing one from your WordPress media library. Remember to use images optimized for fast loading times. Once your image is selected, you can customize its display. Under Position, choose how the image aligns within its container. Center is a common choice. For Repeat, select No Repeat to prevent the image from tiling across the background. Finally, set the size to Cover. This ensures your background image stretches to fill the entire section, column, or widget area without distortion, providing a clean look. To enhance your design, consider adding a background overlay from the same Style tab. This can improve text readability by adding a semi-transparent color layer over your image. Also, experiment with the attachment setting, choosing Scroll or Fixed for different visual effects, such as a subtle parallax. After making all your adjustments, always click the Update button at the bottom left to save your changes and publish your new background.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.